with the Lady Blazers. And with me is the Shakey's best player of this ball game, Charo Soriano. Charo, we all know that you did not start out strong, but what adjustments did you work on to get your groove back from second to the fourth quarter?
What we did was we boosted up our morale and we just talked it up. Kasi the first set, as you noticed, there was really lack of communication. We weren't talking, we didn't know where we were gonna go and what sets we're gonna make. But then by the second set, nag-shift kami ng strategy. What we did was like, we communicated and then we just talked to each other and sinabi, guys, relax lang. This is a game. We do this every time. We do this every day. So just focus and relax and have fun. So malabas niyo yung laro niyo.
And you definitely did that in your game. Now let me call on your Shakey's representative to hand you your special prize. Would you also like to thank and greet some people?
Yes, I'd like to greet everyone supporting B-League. Please continue to support B-League and the team Ateneo. Also, I'd like to greet my family who are here today. And also like to greet everyone in the province of Hingohog and Tuguegarao. Also, everyone, I would like to ask you to pray for the soul of Pukan Sana's dad and Bianca Season's dad. Thank you all.
Alright, congratulations, Charo, and congratulations to the Ateneo team. That's it from my end. Back to Kian and Mosi.